In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove Zoho Invoice footer. If you've ever sent an invoice and noticed a small Zoho reference at the bottom, this walkthrough will show you how to turn that off so your documents reflect only your own brand. We'll keep it simple, clear, and quick, while giving you the context you need to feel confident about the change. First, open Zoho Invoice. Once you are in, take a moment to orient yourself on the dashboard. Everything we need is accessible from the settings area, which is represented by a small gear icon in the top right corner of the screen. That gear icon is your central hub for account and document preferences. So it's where you'll go anytime you want to fine-tune how your invoices look and behave. Go ahead and click the gear icon. This opens the full settings panel. From the list you see, look for branding and select it. The branding section controls the visual identity of your documents across the board. Think of it as the place where you define how your company is presented to clients, including the little details that can make a big difference in professionalism and consistency. Inside branding, you'll find an option that specifically mentions Zoho branding on your invoices and estimates. Locate the toggle labeled "I would like to keep Zoho branding on my invoices and estimates." To remove the Zoho footer from your documents, simply toggle this option off. When it's off, the small Zoho logo or footer text that used to appear at the bottom of your invoices and estimates will no longer be displayed. This keeps your client-facing documents focused on your company's name, logo, and message. It's worth noting that this adjustment is about presentation only. It doesn't change your invoice data, numbering, taxes, or any functional parts of your billing. It's purely about the footer text and logo placement that some businesses prefer to remove for a cleaner, fully branded look. If you work with a team, make sure the person making this change has the right permissions, since access to branding can be restricted in some organizations. Also, if you don't see the toggle, it may be due to role permissions or plan limitations. So check with your account admin if needed. Once the toggle is off, your future invoices and estimates will reflect the change. Your brand remains front and center, and your documents stay consistent with your company's identity. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.